how to sign up or create Revolut account on your device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can create or sign up Revolut account on your device. In order to do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service and open up any web browser of your choice. If you want, you can also use the application on your mobile phone. The procedure is similar. Without any further delay, let's get started. After you open up your web browser, in the search box, type in the link that is www.revolut.com. I'll also make sure to drop the link on my description box below. After you type in the link, you'll be taken to its official site, and this is how the interface is going to look like. In the upper right hand side corner, you have an option as log or sign up. If you already have an account, then click on the login button, enter in your credential and log in into your account. And if you don't have an account and want to create a new one, click on get a free account, and after that a pop-up will appear right in front of your screen. Now you'll need to provide in the phone number, so you can simply tap the country of your residence just by tapping on it and then select the country accordingly. Once you're done with this procedure, in order to verify that you're human, you need to solve this puzzle. After that, a link or a verification code will be sent through an SMS. You need to tap on the link or a verification code and complete the procedure. You'll also need to provide in your personal information and some additional information regarding your account. After that, you'll be notified that you've successfully created a Revolut account on your device. In this way, you can create or sign up for a Revolut account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.